In today's business world, small and medium-sized companies juggle multiple tasks with limited resources. Using separate tools for accounting, sales, and inventory creates information silos and manual errors. This fragmentation wastes time and makes it hard to get a clear picture of your business. When teams can't access the same data, opportunities are missed and customers are left dissatisfied. Outdated systems slow you down, making it tough to adapt quickly. To thrive, you need a single, integrated solution that connects every part of your operation. Imagine all your financials, customer info, and inventory in one place, accessible anytime. A unified system automates tasks, delivers real-time insights, and empowers your team to collaborate. This isn't a distant dream, it's a reality that can transform your business. The goal: break down barriers and create a single source of truth so everyone works smarter, not harder. Enter Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, a powerful all-in-one solution for growing businesses. It unifies finance, sales, service, supply chain, and operations in one easy-to-use platform. No more juggling disconnected systems. You get a real-time, complete view of your business. But technology alone isn't enough. That's where Ray Business Technologies, a certified Microsoft partner, comes in. RBT ensures Business Central is tailored to your needs, guiding you from planning to training. Their experts handle setup, data migration, and support, making the transition smooth and fast. With RBT, you gain a strategic partner committed to your growth and ongoing success. The combination of Microsoft's technology and RBT's expertise gives you a true competitive edge. Dynamics 365 Business Central acts as your business's unified command center. Finance, sales, and supply chain data flow seamlessly together, breaking down silos. Automate tasks like bank reconciliations and generate reports in clicks, not hours. Real-time insights help you track performance, manage cash flow, and make smarter decisions. Inventory is optimized with built-in intelligence, so you avoid costly overstock or stockouts. Sales and service teams get a 360-degree customer view, from first contact to post-sale support. Quotes, orders, and customer history are all in one place, enabling faster deals and better service. Collaboration improves, errors drop, and your team can focus on growth. Integration means everyone works from the same playbook, efficiently and effectively. Business Central natively integrates with Microsoft tools like Outlook and Teams. Generate quotes or access business data right from your inbox. No app switching needed. Power BI transforms your data into interactive dashboards, revealing trends and insights instantly. Monitor key metrics in real time and make decisions based on live data, not outdated spreadsheets. AI-driven features predict cash flow, automate purchase orders, and flag issues before they become problems. Automation frees your team to focus on what matters most. Built on Microsoft Azure, your data is secure, always up to date, and accessible anywhere. No more server headaches, just reliable cloud-based performance. With Business Central, you're ready for whatever comes next. As your business grows, Business Central scales with you. Add users, expand features, and pay only for what you need. Microsoft Azure's multi-layered security protects your data with advanced threat protection and compliance. Control user access and keep sensitive information safe. RBT support doesn't end at launch. They provide ongoing training, troubleshooting, and optimization. You're never left on your own. Expert help is always a call away. The future demands agility and resilience. With Dynamics 365 Business Central and Ray Business Technologies, you're ready to move beyond outdated systems. Operate faster, collaborate better, and make smarter decisions. Take the first step. Connect with RBT and unlock your business's full potential.